I improved my kitchen lighting using very simple LED lighting strips. It looks a lot more expensive than it actually is. I also have a remote to turn it on and off. And I change the brightness. And let me show you how it's done. And this is with the lights off. Lights on. According to my kilowatt power meter, the power consumption is less than 18 watts. And when it's off, it's not consuming any electricity, or not at least noticeable. (2700K) temperature. It comes with the receiver, remote, and a power adapter, 12 volt, 2 amp. And the good thing is, I can skip this part by just using a straight line connector. It comes with multiple sections that allows quick disconnecting and reconnecting to arrange the layout, like using this U-shape adapter that allows parallel connection, so we don't have to bend the wires like this. Also comes with a straight line adapters too. Simply peel off this tape and stick it to the back side of the cabinet. I'll connect the wire. I used the included cable clips to keep the wires hidden. So the only thing visible is going to be this wire going up. I have reached the end of my cabinet and I still have this many left. So I'm trying to use the U-shape connector to join these connectors to have it loop back. And let me show you the remote functions. There's off, on, 100% brightness, and shortcuts to reduce the power consumption and also the brightness. You can also do step up and down. There's a heartbeat, siren, and sleep mode, which is running at pretty low brightness, and timers. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. 15 minutes too. It uses a button battery. I usually just use it at full brightness. Thanks to this connector with the LED light, I'm able to skip this part. So this is not illuminated, but it does come with its own lighting. So I don't have to go all the way up there, and it's going to be sticky and messy to clean up for future maintenance. And now it is just one straight line. The glue at the back of the lighting strip has just the right amount of stickiness that it's not too strong to make it impossible to remove or reposition, but also not too weak that it will just simply fall off by itself.